Hello guys, welcome to Chess Lovers. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the very interesting queen sacrifice and a interesting checkmating pattern. So guys, this game is played by Donald Bryan and Robert James Fisher. And in this game, Donald Bryan plays as a white and Robert Fisher plays black. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Here, Donald Bryan start the game with knight to f3. Now Robert Fisher start the game with knight to f6. Now white plays c4, g6, knight to c3. Now bishop to g7. These are the theory moves. Now d4 and the black done his castle in king side, and the black plays king's Indian defense. And here white play bishop to f4. Now black plays d5, try to exchange some pawns in d file. Now here white play queen to b3. Now d captures c4, queen captures c4, and c6. And here white plays e4. Now there is no weakness in any both players of the. Here black plays knight b to d7. Now rook to d1. Here knight to b6, attacking that queen. Now queen to c5. Here black plays bishop to g4. Now bishop to g5. And in this position black plays knight to a4. Here black plays queen to a3. Now knight captures c3. Here b captures c3. Now knight captures e4. And in this position white plays bishop captures e7, attacking that queen and rook. This is a fork by bishop. Now in this position black plays queen to b6. Now white plays bishop to c4. Now knight captures c3, and here bishop to c5, attacking that queen. And in this position, instead of saving his queen, first black gives his a check, that is a rook f to e8 check. Now king f1. Now bishop to e6. Still black does not save his queen. Now here white captures the queen, bishop captures b6. Now here in this position black plays bishop captures c4 check. And now here is a real game started. Now king to g1, then knight to e2 check, then king to f1, then knight captures d4 check. Guys, as you can see that white does not done his castle, and there is a biggest mistake of this game, and due to this mistake white lose his game. And the further game is king to g1. Now knight e2 check. Now king to f1, then knight c3 check. Now king to g1. This is a windmill attack kind of thing. Now a captures b6, black captures his bishop. Now queen to b4, attacking the both pieces, bishop and knight. Now here rook to a4. And in this position b king queen captures b6. Now knight captures d1. Here h3. Black is making some squares for escaping his king. Now rook captures a2, then king h2. Now knight captures f2, then rook to e1. White offers the rook exchange. Now black accept the exchange offer. Here white play queen to d8 check. Now bishop to f8. Now knight captures e1. So guys, in this position, black play bishop to d5. Now here white play knight to f3. Now knight to e4. Now bishop to b8. Here b5. Now white plays h4. Now black plays h5. Now knight to e5. Then king to g7. Now king to e1. Or guys, king to e1, this is the biggest mistake of the game, or you can say a last mistake of the game. And guys, this is a 40 moves long game, and this is a 35th of the game. Can you able to calculate a checkmating pattern, or can you see any kind of checkmating pattern? Guys, if you want more time, then you can pause the video and try to find that checkmating pattern. But here black play bishop to c5 check and king to f1. There is a mate, and the checkmate is now unavoidable because king h2 was the only move, and black done the last mistake. Now here is a checkmate in 4. Now let's see, in this position black play knight to g3 check. Now king to e1, the only move. Now bishop to b4 check. Now king to d1, only move. Now bishop b3 check. Now king to c1, only move. Knight to c2 check. Knight to e2 check. Then king to b1, only move. Guys, all the moves are forced. Checkmate is unavoidable. Now knight to c3. Now in this position king to c1 is only move. And guys, here is the final move by Robert Fischer, that is rook to c2, and it is a checkmate. Guys, what a checkmate by Robert Fischer. He is using all his minor pieces having board. So guys, this is a very interesting game played by Robert James Fischer. Guys, if you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to play a live chess with chess lovers, then join our Telegram channel at the rate chess lovers 9702. So guys, thanks for watching the video.